Hechanova, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing a room decor haul that I bought when I'm low-key doing a room makeover. So stay tuned for that soon. So some of the decors were given to me by some Instagram shops, and also some are what I bought this quarantine, and now I'm broke. Yes, your girl is broke, so I can't continue my room makeover for now. It's been on pause for now. So without further ado, let's get started. So I bought these dried flowers from Manila pa, and honestly, super hassle talaga sa shipping kasi I bought this way back April. So nung time na yun, nagla-lockdown pa, and like nag-lockdown yung buong Manila and also yung Iloilo. So I got this for around 2 to 3 months after, and akala ko hindi na talaga dadating, pero here it is. This is the flower arrangement that I bought from them. And I also bought yung mga maliliit. I bought 50 pieces of this because I'm gonna make a flower wall. And actually, nagawa ko na siya, but yung part na to hindi pa. And actually, madaming dried flowers sa arrangement na hindi kasya sa vase ko. So, dito ko siya nilagay. And also this one, this is eucalyptus, and this is wheat. Actually, kinuha ko naman yung size ng vase, pero pagdating, hindi kasya lahat. And this one is the pampas, and actually kasama din siya sa arrangement, pero nga hindi kasya. So, ayan, niligay ko siya in another bottle. I love buying dried flowers kasi they last for 2 to 3 years. And actually, akala ko they last like forever kasi nga dried na sila. Pero it also has its lifespan pala. So, I just got my package from the Leaf. It was delivered just now, and I would like to open it now nila. Oh! It's for dinner. Akala ko yung panada. Wait, that's the other one. It smells delicious. Thank you, The Leaf, for my dinner. And the next one are vases from Kalia.ph. So they sent me this vases, and look, it's so cute. This is hand-painted, and they have different designs. And also, here's another one. Yeah, so these are the dried flowers from earlier. And also, they sent me a pot, pero wala pa akong plant for this. So if you guys are looking for aesthetic vases, which is based on Iloilo, so you guys should check Kalia.ph on Instagram. So I will link their Instagram shop down below, so go and buy from them. And the next one is this plaque from Love Plaque Soyo on Instagram. So they sent me this customized plaque, and yung pinagawa ko is si Nikki Zafania, and yung song niya, which is Low Key, because I just love low key. And today I'm just low key. So it has its Spotify code right here. So in order to scan it, you just go to your Spotify app and go to search. And at the right side, makikita mo like yung camera thing. And it will just pop up about Spotify code. So use it. So right now I will just scan it. Tapos ayan, it will just show Low Key by Nikki on Spotify. So I won't play it kasi baka makopyright ako. I'll just sing it na lang. Wonder what I'll do when it comes come true, when our whiskey's run out. Cause I've been looking at you since 2:30 when I take this downtown. This liquid courage got me way too honest. Put your phone on vibrate, let's get you back there while the sun's down. Low, 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 low key. Hey. Less than a king size, keep it a secret. Say I'm your queen, I don't wanna leave it. Low, 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 low key. So if you also also want your own customized Spotify plaque, so I will just link their Instagram shop down below, so you guys should just check them out. And also pala, they have this plaque in different sizes. They have yung bigger ones, and you can also buy with frame or without frame. So they also have different kinds of frame. So if you are planning to buy, please use my code CAT10 for 10 pesos off on your purchase. And I think they ship nationwide and also around Panay. So go buy from them and use my code. Thank you so much. So the next one that I got is this mirror from Hira's Home, and actually this is the mirror that I have been looking for my whole life.
Wow.
Pero I was actually planning to buy it from Manila pa. See, you know me. Bibilin ko talaga if gusto ko yan. Whether sa Manila pa yan or sa Iloilo. Or anywhere, my God, Kat. Rich ka! And I'm at that point na I'm very willing to risk na ipaship yung mirror from Manila to Iloilo. Like, imagine, it's a fragile item. So like, but luckily I didn't buy it at Manila kasi may seller na dito sa Iloilo. So I was very happy to find out na meron ng
Seller ng
So, you guys know what I did next? Yes, instant buy. So this is their Mayumi mirror, which costs for 3,500, and also same price din naman sa Manila if I bought it. What I like the most about this mirror is that it's very big, and you know what? I can do a dance cover with this mirror. So I still need to put here another flower wall, so pa ganyan siya. So the next one is the most cutest thing that I bought in this whole room decor haul, and it's a tita thing, and I didn't expect myself to buy an electric fan with my own money. So the next one is this Asahi wooden electric fan, and it is so aesthetic and it really fits my room, the theme of my room, and I don't know what. It's just so cute. The design is not just like your ordinary electric fan, but... And the next one on the list is my newly bought comforter. Because you know what, buying a comforter is
Really?
on my list, and I really want my bed to be like all white. So I bought an all white comforter at All Home when they had it on sale. And I'm also planning to buy some new pillows and throw pillows para, you know, my bed feels so comfy na talaga. I just love the quality of the comforter. It's not that thick and it's not that thin. It's very okay for the Philippines weather. And the next one is this flower lights that they sent me. It's from Nameless Bestiary on Facebook and Closet Cloud Iloilo on Instagram. So they have different fairy lights, like yung normal fairy lights, and they also have that one na flower yung design. And actually they have it on different colors, and they sent me yung warm color. So you can also have it on white, pink, blue, or just that colorful one. So I think it's around 350 pesos if I'm not mistaken, and yung fairy lights nila is around 60 or 80 pesos, I think. So the next one that I bought is this plates, and actually I'm not using it as a real plate, but I'm using it for my necklace, makeup, bracelets, earrings, and whatsoever. I got them from Japan Surplus. I forgot the name. As you can see, I'm a fan of gold. I'm not a fan of silver. And you know what, guys? I just love buying on Japan Surplus. And the last one are, of course, plants, which is, of course, on the trend right now, being a plantita. Like, everyone really wants to be a plantita nowadays. I don't know if I'm considered to be a plantita because I can keep a plant alive. I don't have the green thumb with me unlike my aunts, my mom, but I actually kept this alive. This is my first plant that I got from my mom's garden. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. And see you on my next one. Bye!
Why am I so afraid just to say a hello?